Hello students, we are doing subject Environmental Studies Part 1, Lesson number 21, Management of Community Life. Welcome to Vidyabhushan English Primary School Standard 4th Online Studies. We were doing subject EVS 1, in that lesson number 21, Management of Community Life. As we have seen, to manage small things, we have to do certain plans, such as if the guest arrives at home, if we go on a trip, and also for our studies. Now we'll see the lesson further. Now, what tasks are necessary for the management of your classroom? Proper cleaning of classroom and board. Yes, proper cleaning of classroom and board is necessary. Is the chalk and duster in the class available? Is the board clean? Writing good thoughts on the board and maintaining discipline in the classroom is the responsibility of class representatives. How will you choose your class representative to carry out those tasks? A student who is responsible, has leadership qualities, can perform duties properly, can be selected as a class representative. Monitor. Such 5 to 6 students can be selected and voting can be done by all the students to select one class representative out of these 5 to 6 students. Similarly, to make sure that the school is running smoothly, to run a school smoothly, a school management committee is formed. The school management committee consists of parents, teachers, local experts and student representatives. The committee tries to understand the difficulty of parents, students and teachers. It gives guidance so as to solve these difficulties. It prepares and recommends a school development plan. It keeps an eye on regular attendance of the students, the teachers in the school. It helps in carrying out schemes such as midday meal. In many of the schools, midday meal is provided for the children. In this way, teachers and parents work together through the school management committee to ensure that all-round development of the student. Why do accidents occur on the street? Do you know why do accidents occur on the streets? Accident occurs if the person doesn't follow traffic rules. Have you seen traffic signal on a highway? It has 3 colors: red, green and yellow. Red light is to tell driver to stop the vehicle. Green light means the driver can start driving or keep driving. Yellow light tells the driver to stop when it is safe to, because the light is about to turn red. If a person does not follow rules, if a person does not follow the suggestions given by traffic police, he or she may suffer accidents. Why must we follow traffic rules? We must follow traffic rules to avoid accidents. You must have seen only vehicles run on the left hand side of the road. There are some rules while driving. Each and every person who learns driving has to study all these rules, has to give exam, then only he or she can get the license for driving. Without it, nobody can drive. Rules are important for driving. Rules guide us about how to behave in the society. Because of rules, we can be sure that everyone will behave in a particular manner. As they know rules, now each and everyone will drive their car on the left hand side. Everyone can drive in the same way safely. If we did not know whether the vehicle coming towards us would come from the left or right, we would also get confused. In such confusion, accidents can occur. So to avoid accidents, rules are there and it should be followed by each and everyone to avoid confusion. Do you know why school begins at a fixed time? If there will not be any fixed time, then students would come to school and go home whenever they wish. We would not know when the study time and why is a timetable of all the students, all the subjects made. Because if there were no timetable, students would bring the textbook and notebook of all the subject to school, then the bag would be heavy and there would be no proper management of studies. All would get confused. So for proper management of syllabus and studies of all the subjects, timetable is important. In this way you follow the rules in the school. In the same way, rules should be followed while driving. Otherwise, there would be confusion and it occurs accidents. Rules are made so that community life can go on in a smoothly and orderly manner. Community life means, as we have seen, people living in community, in group. Earlier customs, as in India we can see there are many customs and traditions, Gujarati, Christians, Hindus, then many customs you can see, Tamils, many customs you can see. So customs and traditions form the basis of rules earlier, but now it is the government that makes the rules. Now government make all the rules. In this way you can see many customs and traditions in India. Different customs and traditions you can see in India. On 15th August 1947 we got independence. After independence, a constitution was framed for our country. Constitution you can see in each and every textbook. The constitution provides the fundamental framework for governing the country. Babasaheb Ambedkar was the chairperson of the drafting committee. Now the constitution is made for all the fundamental framework to govern the country properly. All should be treated equally. Justice, liberty, equality, fraternity, all things should be followed in our country. It lays down the principles on which a society is organized and developed. The elected representatives run the country according to the constitution. As we elect the representatives, leaders of our area, we elect them. So it is their responsibility to run the particular area properly. These elected representatives run the country according to the constitution. In constitution, all the rules and regulations are given and everyone have to follow that. The local administration is run by the local government bodies. Local administration means law, management. It is run by the local government bodies. In this way, you might have seen in the village, in city, local government bodies. Now, students, we have all basic needs. We are dependent on many people for things needed in our life. We are dependent on many things. We need water for drinking, washing, for agriculture and also for animals. It is necessary to clear the garbage which is there in our surrounding areas. Otherwise, what can happen? Everyone can fall ill. Then we need roads, proper roads. Then we also need proper park for enjoyment. We also need street lights so that vehicles can run properly at the night time. We also need a van collecting garbage. Garbage should be collected properly. Then all things, hospitals are important. All these needs, fulfilling these needs, it is the responsibility of the local government body. The person, the party, the group who is elected, it is his or her responsibility to give all the facilities to that particular area. People elect the representatives to the local government body to attend to these needs. To fulfill these needs, they elect the local government body. Now students, what we have learned, management is necessary for any work to be done properly. Without management, the work cannot be completed properly. A detailed plan is necessary for group work. If in group many people are there, then each and every information should be given to that group people and detailed plan should be prepared. Otherwise, everything can get spoiled and everybody can get confused. If work is carried out according to the plan, it is done smoothly and on time. If we will carry out our work properly according to the plan, then we can get success in that. The school management committee works to ensure the all-round development of children. SMC committee, school management committee, in which parents, teachers, students, all are there. The local government body provides facilities for the daily needs of people. As we elect the leaders for our facilities, these leaders, they provide facilities for us. They help in providing facilities for us, such as drinking water. If the particular area has the problem of drinking water, then these local government bodies, they help to provide it. Parks are made for amusement, for enjoyment. Street lights are made. Then garbage collection is done properly. Every particular work is done by the local government bodies. So in this way, we have learned that proper management is important for each and every work. Then only we can be successful in our work. Thank you.